Hey class, so for this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an infographic in Canva, and this will help us to be able to complete our task for this week. So a couple of different ways that you can do this. This is your starting spot when you are in your Canva account. So if you come up here and just start typing in infographic, you can go ahead and click on it there, and then you will be able to change the style if you want to go to certain styles, whatever you feel like would fit your design ideas best, and you will have access to a bunch of different templates here. I highly suggest using the templates, guys, just to make sure that you keep this well organized. If you are very skilled in Canva or just graphic design in general, you can start with a blank. So right here, there is an option for you to start with a blank. But if that's something that you're not extremely used to, these templates do a really good job where you can just basically plug in your information and replace what they have on here to match what you're saying about your career topic. Now, another way to get to this is the way that I would do it personally. So if you go back to home here, if you go over here to this arrow, and if you click more, in this spot right here, you can go ahead and type in infographic the same way. You can start to type it in. You can click right here. And then this will bring you to a topic that's already set up with the size for you, but then you can go ahead and type in things over here like career, for example, since that's what we'll be working on. There's already career pathway templates set up for you here. These are kind of set up really nicely with our assignment. We're going to be listing key information about particular careers. These are kind of set up really nicely where you have the different boxes and stuff where you could have, each one of these boxes, for example, could be key information about the specific career you've chosen. And there's different, like I said, there's definitely a bunch of different options, whatever kind of fits your style and what you're thinking. And you can come through and replace a lot of this stuff. So if these particular images aren't matching, you can take these off, of course, and then you can go to elements over here. And for example, let's say you did a vet tech for your career choice. You could type in vet tech off to the side here. You could have different things to replace these. You can go with the more like digital cartoon type style, or you can go with the actual photos here if you want to make it a little bit more realistic. And then you also have video options as well. If you want to bring in different effects or videos into the digital aspect of yours, you can definitely do that also. But those are just some tips and strategies to use. And again, we're making sure that we are keeping it well organized, keeping it easily readable to your audience. But if you have any other questions, make sure you reach out.